Why Zayn Malik is so attractive. Are you ready to dive into the enigmatic world of one of the most attractive artists of our time? Buckle up, because today we're going to uncover the undeniable magnetism that is Zayn Malik. From his days in One Direction to his successful solo career, Zayn's allure has captivated millions around the globe. So, what is it about Zayn Malik that makes him so irresistibly attractive? Firstly, let's talk about his unique sense of style. Zayn's fashion choices are a perfect blend of classy elegance and edgy experimentation. Whether it's rocking a tailored suit or sporting a vibrant and daring hairstyle, he confidently embraces his individuality, setting trends and inspiring fans to do the same. But Zayn's appeal goes far beyond his looks and fashion sense. His genuine and compassionate personality shines through his philanthropic endeavors, demonstrating that true attractiveness also comes from within. Zayn uses his platform to raise awareness about important issues and support various charitable causes, making him an inspiration to many. It's not just his philanthropy that sets him apart, though. Zayn's down-to-earth nature and relatable personality make fans feel a special connection with him. He's never afraid to show vulnerability, and his honesty in interviews endears him even more to his admirers. Of course, we can't ignore the undeniable factor that makes Zayn so attractive: his incredibly soulful voice. Whether it's belting out powerful high notes or whispering intimately into the microphone, his vocal range and emotive delivery effortlessly tug at our heartstrings, igniting a sense of deep connection with his music. And let's not forget his mesmerizing stage presence. Zayn's performances are a sight to behold, as he effortlessly commands the stage with his exquisite dance moves and an undeniable aura of magnetic energy. With his expressive eyes and confident demeanor, he leaves audiences in awe, unable to tear their eyes away. So, there you have it, folks, the countless reasons why Zayn Malik is undeniably attractive. From his impeccable style to his philanthropy, relatability, soulful voice, and captivating performances, Zayn embodies a unique combination of talent, charisma, and charm that captures the hearts of millions. Now it's time for you to join the conversation. Let us know your favorite Zayn moments in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more captivating content. Thanks for watching.